Head over to my channel to check out different bike model playlists with English, Spanish, French, and Chinese subtitles.
The Zontes 310 cubic centimeters range of motorbikes have been available from 2019. You may find yourself in the need to change your starter motor. If you do, then please purchase the starter motor from a Zontes distributor. In your country. In the UK, Clement Moto are the distributor. They carry all parts for all the Zontes models and ship next day. Do not trust buying the part you require direct from China on an online platform. Firstly, the part won't probably work, and if so, you will then have issues in trying to return the part, which will be costly. Buying direct from your country's distributor will cut out the cost a Zontes dealer, which may put on additional costs to your parts purchase. Please enjoy this video. There are over 2,000 Zontes how-to videos on my channel. Please take a look. Lastly, if you could take the time to promote my efforts on your social platforms, it would be much appreciated. Till the next time, best wishes, MADMICK.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. Be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see all blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the tide. I can't find the point where our two paths align, but you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet, I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.